Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can start earning $30 a day from Nexus Rewards, and you could even do this as an absolutely free member of Nexus Rewards. All right, so if you want to get started with Nexus Rewards, obviously it'll be the first link in the description of this video. Now, all right, how you can start earning $30 a day, easy $30 a day. This is how you do it. All right, first things first, you need to sign up to be a Nexus Rewards member. All right, like I just said, you can do it for free, and I'll talk about the other option in a second. But once you get signed up, all right, you're going to log into your Nexus Rewards account and you're going to follow the simple instructions. There'll be two videos that you can watch. One as a free member, and there's another video if you are a upgraded premium member. Okay, but you want to click on that. But the first steps is going to be to sign up to the recommended apps in Nexus Rewards. That's the first thing you need to do. And one of the apps that you're going to sign up with, which is absolutely free, is called Rakuten. All right, Rakuten app has been around forever. It's super popular. So once you get signed up with Rakuten, right, through your Nexus Rewards back office, all right, you're going to get a referral code. All right, and once that referral code, once you get it, you'll be able to, send it to people, let people know about it, whatever, and you're going to earn $30 for every person that you refer to the Rakuten app that actually uses their $30 cashback opportunity. So guys, when you want to talk about easy money, making easy money online, everybody looking for a side hustle, everybody want the easy way. You can't get no easier than this, because all you're doing is sharing with people, hey y'all want to get $30 cash back pretty much at any major store. That's it. And once somebody be like, oh yeah, I'll do that, that's it. Once they use your referral code, and all they gotta do is just buy something online, once they do that, you're gonna earn $30 sent to your PayPal, or you can get a check sent to you, whatever you prefer. Right? It's that simple. And how I know it's that simple, because I'm already doing it. I already used my $30 cash back. I spent $30 on some resistance bands. I actually got them from Dick's Sporting Goods, right? And the next day I got an email saying, hey, congratulations, you just earned your $30 cash back bonus. All right, so yes, I got resistance bands for free, basically. All right, now to be clear, it do take like 4 to 6 weeks for you to actually get the money into your PayPal or your or get a check sent out to you. But so what, you still got it coming, and you can start accumulating referrals like today, like right now. You can start getting referrals. All right, so how you could do this, because it's so simple, guys, you can go on whatever. First of all, you can start with your friends and family. And I know a lot of people are like, I don't like to bother friends and family. Look, we ain't selling supplements or nothing like that. You're basically giving people free money back, right? You're telling people, look, you can get $30 worth of whatever you buying for free, basically. Like, so you can start with your friends, family. My wife about to do it. She need to do it. I told her to sign up. She procrastinating anyway. But yeah, you can start there. But when you want to start getting that daily, guys, on your Facebook, look at your Facebook friends list. How many people do you interact with, right? This is something you can private message people about. People you halfway know. Private message them, hey, I just got $30 cash back, right, from this app. Check it out. And what you want to do is give them your Nexus Rewards link. Have them do it through there, right? And then tell them, hey, sign up through Nexus Rewards. And you could tell them they could sign up free. And then tell them sign up and then go through the Rakuten app, spend $30, and you get $30 back. That's that's it, right? You could do that once a day. Pick one Facebook friend a day, right? And the chances of them signing up is very good, because like you're not selling anything. You're literally giving people a cash back, $30 cash back. So you should feel very comfortable doing that. And if you don't want to, Even with Facebook, if you don't want to do the private messaging, which you should, or start with people you can actually just post it on your Facebook page. Post it a couple times a week. Hey guys, I just got $30 cash back. I just got free goods, whatever. Who else want $30 cash back, right? Of course, you could always post in groups, right? Same thing. Who want $30 cash back, right? So you can do that with Facebook. If you're a YouTuber, you can do what I'm doing, right? However you feel comfortable getting the word out, that's how you need to do it, because this is easy money, guys. All right. Now, earlier I did say, yes, you can start this absolutely free. There's no excuse. You can start this right now. In the next 10 minutes, you can be good to go and start earning, $30 referrals, right? But with Nexus Rewards, it allows you to earn a lot more money and on a monthly recurring basis. All right. So if you do decide like, yo, this Nexus Rewards thing, this is dope, because keep in mind, Rakuten is only one of the several apps that where you can get savings and cash back on, right? So when you upgrade your Nexus Rewards, it's only $21.95 a month. That's it. So it's like $5.50 a week. You can actually have your own online business and build a huge monthly recurring income. Why? Because you're going to get $10 for every person who upgrades in Nexus Rewards. You're going to get $10 every month, right? So even when you upgrade, right? So say you upgrade at the $21.95, all it takes for you is to get pretty much 2 people, and it basically pays for your monthly membership. Then after that, the sky's the limit, because not only will you get money from you getting cash back, not only are you getting money from referring people to the apps, not only are you getting money from actually getting commissions from referring other people to Nexus Rewards, now you're going to start earning money from the people that those people bring in and those people bring in. It's like that snowball effect, and I'm super excited about it, damn it. This, in my opinion, is the definition of easy money. All right, so if you want to get started with Nexus Rewards and start getting that money today, click the link below, join the team. I will personally reach out to you and make sure you get all set up and ready to start earning some money. All right, so I will see you on the Nexus Rewards team. Peace.